tune of the immigrant.
Yeah. I mean, didn't he
Is
record
that what
it?
you're going to?
I play it every time.
But didn't he record it? Wasn't he the source of it?
Who is it? It may well be.
Dennis
Yes.
Murphy.
Yeah, yeah.
He-
I mean, I haven't, you know, I learned that years ago when I was starting, and the only person that I've ever heard recording it is Eamon Cotter
Yeah, that's true.
on his last
Yeah.
CD. Yeah.
Yes, that's true, yeah.
It just reminded me of it.
Yeah.
And
I think Irish aren't immigrants. They're just universal.
oh, yeah.